Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy style from a reference with Nano Banana. So let's start a new chat here on Google Gemini. Click here on tools and toggle on create images, and if you see this icon, that means you're using Nano Banana. Make sure you have 2.5 flash as your model, and I'll give you the example prompt that you can use, of course, in the description as well. Okay, so you can get it from there. Mainly what you need to do is upload the subject photos that you want to change, and then what we do is use the prompt. Okay, we're telling the AI what to do, what style to apply. Let me show you. So let's just come here and drag and drop our images. Okay, so this will be our prompt, right? We will apply everything of the second image to the first image. So we come here and put in our first image that we want to change. So we want to change this one, and let's use the style from this second image. So we'll drag and drop. We have both uploaded. And then we just go ahead and use this prompt. So we submit this and give the AI a few seconds to work its magic. And this is what the AI has come up with. So let's go ahead and check it out, right? So this was the original one, and this is what the AI gave us based on this one. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job of changing this one to match the style of this. And that is how to copy style from a reference with Nano Banana.